Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a very easy, very simple look for you. You can wear it for festives, office, whatever, and it is going to be super easy and super quick because we have no time. We have got to reach for lunch. So I am starting by applying Huda Beauty Easy Blur foundation in the shade Butter Pecan on a already moisturized skin, and I'm using a flat brush to apply it evenly on my entire face and neck. And you can see that I'm going gentle with the pressure. However, the product I'm using is also very little in quantity, not too little and not too much, because it's gonna be a afternoon lunchtime. I do not want to go very heavy, and it is in a brightly lit area. So I like to go very dewy and very natural with my base when I am in a natural setting. So I am going to be generous, but not in quantity, just in blending it out nicely. And before setting the product, I am going to be using the Hoola bronzer on the hollows of my cheek and the temples of my forehead and my jawline. Now, why am I doing this? Why am I using a powder over a cream product before setting the cream? So the reason for this is I want to use least amount of product, and when I use a powder on a cream base, I get the maximum out of it. I do not want to use any blush or maybe very least amount of blush. That is why I am using a bronzer as my blush, as my powder, as my contour, everything all in one. Now, before going further, I'm going to finish my eye makeup. I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal in my waterline and my lash line, upper lash line. And you can see I'm being very generous with the kajal. This is a look where I am going to keep a very good balance between the eyes and the lips, which is why I want to apply a lot of kajal. And why not? I mean, look at the sari, and when you see the necklace, you are going to die. It is so beautiful, so gorgeous. And instead of using a brush today, I'm going to use my fingers to blend out the kajal that I applied to create a smoky eyeliner cum eyeshadow look. This is the easiest way you can apply any cream product and make it look smoky, because your fingers are naturally warm and they blend the product out beautifully. And I just lost one of my pencils, which was my favorite. This is the Chambord Dazzle eyeliner pencil, and my god, I don't think they are making it anymore, and I am so sad because look at how black that is. Just gorgeous. But yeah, so I changed the pencil because Maybelline did not do the magic that I expected. So I switched to Chambord, and look at that. I just can't. I mean, that is so gorgeous. That is what I wanted. So if anybody finds the Chambord Dazzle eyeliner pencil, please let me know. To do my brows today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Brow Mascara, and you can see that I'm really cleaning out all of the product from the bristles, from the brush of the mascara wand, because it does collect a lot of product and it's very liquidy, so we don't want to go very heavy on the brows. And I'm gonna set the entire face with the MAC foundation compact in the shade NC30. And you can see that I am going very light on the powder. It barely changed anything on my face. I just wanted to set it without making it look very cakey. Although I did not shoot this part, I did set my face with the PAC micro makeup setting spray. Loading on my eyelashes with mascara. I think it is the high something mascara from Maybelline. I have linked every single product down below, so you can just go and check what product, what shade I'm using. And as these are wearable looks, not that lashes are not wearable, I am not going to be using lashes because I am really rushed. I'm using the Mars lip liner in the shade coffee brown, I think. And you can see that I used the shortest cut to fill in my lip liner the right way. So my best tip to line the lips is to press them together and then slightly, make the outline of your lips visible and then fill them in together. And for creating an ombre look, I am filling in the corners of the lips as well and smudging them with my finger. I am using the Maybelline Vinyl Lip Color in the shade Peachy as a gloss on my face, and look at how beautifully it came out. I'm using the eyeliner not to line my eyes but to do a bindi, because who has the time to search a bindi? So just a dot, and yes, I am using the Pixie a blush in the shade, I don't know, I have linked it down below so you can check it. This is probably my fifth Pixie blush stick, so go ahead and buy it if you were questioning it. It's super subtle. And look at how beautifully this look came together. The necklace, the sari, the makeup, everything fits so well. I hope you loved it. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for such amazing and easy looks. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.